Hey guys, this is my first video, and today we will be unboxing Pennywise Neca action figure. This is the side of the box. And this is the back with photos of the figure. Now let's see how the figure looks. It also has this photograph of the figure. Now the camera will come back when I have the figure out. This is the figure out of its box. This is Pennywise accessories. And this is his 3 other heads. The Bill Skarsgård head sculpt. The grinning face from the mirror maze. The long tongue from mirror maze. And lastly, the default head it comes with. Now let's put on the head sculpts on Pennywise. The grinning face. The long tongue face. I couldn't put on the Bill Skarsgård head, so this is a picture on how it looks. And here is the default head on Pennywise. Now let's move on to the hands. These are the default hands. These are flat hands. These are hands too, maybe also hold on to the balloon. And lastly, here is the one hand that is meant for the balloon. Now for the articulation, I'm going to fast forward this. Overall, I really like this figure. So I will give it 10 out of 10 nice action figure. Thanks for watching, and if you want more vids, subscribe.